All right. Thank you. It's howling out there. Everyone, hey, Nate here with Outside Cleaners. I'm on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where I've been on a bit of a shopping spree. And I wanted to share with you what I'm doing and why, and maybe this will be Light went out. Maybe this will be helpful for somebody watching this. So here we are getting to the end of November, and I'm in the exterior cleaning industry, and most of us that are in this business in my area are either rapidly winding down for the season or done already. So, equipment being winterized, put away, drained of gasoline, all that stuff. Or there's guys that have been in the industry for a year or two and they want out. And whether it's because turns out they don't like the work after all, or the money isn't what they had been led to believe it would be. But for one reason or another, they've got a bunch of equipment and they want it gone, and they want it gone now. So it used to be years ago that, guys who had been cleaning for a season or two, their equipment wouldn't be something I was generally interested in. It was usually like homeowner grade equipment or Home Depot machines. Nothing against Home Depot, but it was not, the type of machine or equipment that I wanted to rely on day in and day out to make my livelihood. That's changed in recent years, and I think it's because of, all the online exterior cleaning, soft washing, power washing warehouses, so to speak, online stores that offer financing. So a lot of folks have gotten into this industry, no experience to speak of, but they had good credit or credit good enough to buy good stuff. So what I'm seeing these days is guys that are getting out of the industry after only a season or two, their equipment is nice. Their businesses did not fail because of bad equipment. I'll say that. I don't wish misfortune on other people, but their businesses have failed, or they're saying screw this and they want everything gone. So, first of all, the stuff is lightly used, maybe a season or two of use, sometimes a lot less. Sometimes it's like barely even assembled. Good stuff, commercial equipment with, name brand or recognizable good quality components. I'm finding that, I might find it on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist for basically like half off of new. But again, these guys just want it gone. And I might offer half of what they're asking, which is half of new. So I regularly find that I can leave their driveway with stuff I'm thrilled to have as spares or as extras or as, a future replacement for what I'm running. And I've paid like 20%, 25% of a new setup. And I'm talking, power washers, pumps, wands, hoses, hose reels, even tanks sometimes, up and down the line. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what I'm spending money on this week. And, if you're looking to get into this industry, don't wait till spring. Now's a great time. Another source of finding this stuff is if you have like a small engine repair guy in your area, talk to him and say, hey, anyone getting out? Anyone wanting to get rid of this type of equipment? Anyway, that's what I'm doing. Hope that helps somebody. Bye-bye.